Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to download some free games right here using your Xbox Live Gold membership. So let's go right into my games and apps. So right now it's April the 3rd. That means right now if you guys download these games, they will be free. So let's just go right into them. So we can go right to memberships. From memberships, let's just click on Xbox Live Gold. And right here we will see our free games. So right now it's these. So Plant vs. Zombies, that has been out free for a while now. So that means it's almost over. And by the time you guys see this, it might even be over by then. However, right now, this guy and this guy, so these two right here, both of them will last a little bit of time. As you guys know, with Xbox Live Gold, you guys can download any of these games for free right now. You only have a few days in order to download these games. So let's just get started. Let's click on this one, Star Wars for now. Under Star Wars, don't worry, just click on see price. It's gonna be free anyways, and it should say free. So right now, as you guys can see, it says free. However, sometimes with older games, it does tell you to verify your PayPal information or your credit card information, but don't worry about it. As long as you guys see free up there, it's totally free, so you guys can continue on and you're good to go. So once you guys confirm that payment information, just click on done. And it's gonna start the download. Okay, so don't worry about it. It's gonna start downloading. You guys can go on and download the second game, which we will right now. Right now, this one's only 382 gigs. I'm assuming that will be it. No updates for it. Let's just download the second game. So here's the second game. Same deal. It should say free right now. And this time, since it's not that old of a game, you guys can just click on get. Do not click on buy to own. You don't need to. You guys can just press get. And then it's gonna start installing by itself. Don't even click on install, it's gonna do that. And there we go. So let me just go back so you guys can see the full size of both games. Now I already made a video for the other game, Plant vs. Zombies, so I'm not gonna make it again. And it's almost over anyways. So let me just go all the way back. So right now we can see the Star Wars, yeah, it's only 382. Yeah, so 3 gigs with 82 megabytes, which it isn't big. I don't see any updates for it, so that would be the total size for it at the moment. So we're just gonna pause that so we can see the other ones. So right now I paused Star Wars and I made this one download so we can see the full size. And yes, it's only 7 gigs with 48. Yeah, so it's really small, nothing really big. I don't see any updates for it, so that means that would be it for this game. Anyways, that's how you guys can download this. Remember, it's using your Xbox Live Gold membership that you need it anyways in order to play online. And that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.